Hi there, it's Natasha
and Tonya from Little Creative Days.
and we're here with another story starter for you. As you can see, we're right by a lake and it gave us a great idea for a story. So we're going to give you the title, and it is
Splash. So, what's gone splash?
Is it you that's gone splash, or is it something under the water?
Did you fall into a lake or a puddle?
Is there something under the water? Maybe it's a whole new world.
What did you meet?
Did someone pull you in? Who knows?
And what came out?
And how did it come out? So lots of ideas with just one word: splash. So we hope that gives you lots of ideas. We'll put some interesting vocabulary up on the blog to go with this, which is
www.littlecreativedays.co.uk.
and click on the free resources section to get to the blog. Hope you enjoyed that one. Hope it gives you lots of ideas, and we'll see you again soon.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.